lengdo hakate kalum jingtep Kadba ka Aiom Lehkmen jang ke Meghalaya kadang Sdang kejela ka KM da ki Jingpyninam ya ki Kolshor bat kita masa ki bekring ya ki nong jungok ka perthai na keleng ke perthai sya ki jaka be itnat jongka tung ni phai sya ki kubor
Tau senang ki nong wan jungok ka ki sya kring kham tam da ka basaki ya ka Aiom pu sentiu ding leng ka jing yu ka phla ka Aiom senrai ka pin itnat ki lum da ki rong jong ni sentiu ka bashim ya ka jing itnat jong ka mariang jong ka Meghalaya Nalor kadi kita masar wai betem jong jela ki longkum ke jing pembernya ke bakrau wa penyeteli ya ki nong wai nakari bat nabari bat bantau ya ki jing kendulang ki bansa jing kemau ki badap da kasur jing wai bat ke jing Lehkmen.
You know, seen on Instagram about this cherry blossom tree, and I was hoping to come and see the cherry blossom bloom, but sadly it seems it hasn't yet bloomed. I could just see a few, you know, spots of specks of pink, which is very gorgeous. So hopefully we'll be staying here till the evening, and most probably we might extend our trip, you know, vacation to see the cherry blossom bloom.
We have come all the way from Guwahati in the early morning just to attend this fest, and it's a very nice vibe. Shillong is gearing up with lots of festival. Cherry blossom is on the way, so everything is perfect. So we all have done our tickets to see the fest, and you can see the excitement all over. The atmosphere is whole, it's a vibes, is something very different.
Kaban sedang ya kan Aiom Lehkmen kedai ka Korean M ke jing trelang ke bakerpang ha liang ke Kolshor ha pedeng ke Korea bat ke Meghalaya bla pelong hanan polok ke badan hanong ba Shillong kinong jengok kai perthai la penpau ke Jingpyninam jongki nak benta kini kita masa ha ke babun penpau ke Jingpyninam banyoi ya ke jing itnat jongki sentiu ding liang bat kita masa wai bat tem ke bai ha bat ke jinglong tenrai bat ke jing Lehkmen. Bureau report di News Meghalaya.
mentang ini